Good evening, everyone. My name is Zach Greer, and it is my honor and privilege to introduce you guys to a man who started from nothing and climbed to the absolute height of his profession. He is a one-time NCAA champion, a five-time NBA champion, three-time Finals MVP, three-time regular season MVP, 12-time All-Star, 10-time All-NBA, a four-time assist leader, and a two-time steal leader, and most importantly, he is a Hall of Fame member. This man is Earvin Magic Johnson. Now, Magic's accomplishments far outgo what he did on the basketball court. In 1991, Magic contracted the HIV virus. At the time, there were a lot of misconceptions about this virus. Many players refused to play with Magic because they thought that they could contract the virus just by touching his sweat. We now know this to not be true. The reason why we know it to not be true is because Magic donated most of his fortune to researching this deadly disease and continues to do so to this day. So, without further ado, put your hands together for Hall of Fame member and survivor, Earvin Magic Johnson.